Today we will be showing you how to remove the speaker grills on your Fusion FM series square marine speakers. For today's demonstration, we will be removing and reinstalling the speaker grill on a Fusion MS FM series. This process is similar with the Fusion SM series marine speakers and the FM round speakers. For this process, we recommend a plastic trim removal tool. The speaker grill is the front-facing plate that protects the internals of your speaker. Removing the speaker grill will give you easy access for cleaning both the grill and the front cone of your speaker. Removing the grill also will give you access to your speaker's mounting screws. You will use your plastic trim removal tool around the edge of the grill until the grill lifts off the speaker. Please remember that if you are cleaning your speakers, to not use any harsh or solvent-based cleaners. When cleaning, please use a soft cloth and avoid any tools or brushes. Using such cleaners or tools may damage the product and void the warranty. Finally, line up the Fusion logo on the grill so it's right side up. Then lightly push the grill back onto the speaker until it locks in place. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.